Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 5, Day 4. Today is Thursday. So, let's blend this. 3, 2, 1. Tear. Change the t to what? Where. Change the what to p. Pair. Change the p to b. Bear. Change the air to r. Bar. Change the r to air. Bear. Change the b to k. Care. Change the k to f. Fair. Change the f to full. Flare. Change the full to goal. Glare. Change the skull to sk. Scare. Change the sk to sh. Share. Change the sp. Change the sh to spa. Spare. Change the spa to st. Stare. And then change the st to r. Star. Change the r to air. Stare. Change the st to p. Pair. Change the p to h. Hair. Okay, here are our blending words. 7. The word 7 rhymes with heaven. 10. The number 10 has 2 digits in it. 8. 8 is a great number. 9. I chose 9 friends to come to my party. 2. I have 2 best friends. Okay, let's break apart this word. We're going to make the syllables, and remember, R-controlled vowels stick together. So dairy, we'd break it right there, just like they did, and the A-R-I-R, the R sound, stays together. Air, the air sound. Okay, barely, barely. We're gonna break it right here, and the A-R-E stays together. Prepare, prepare. Break it right there. The A-R-E stays together. Market. Market. The A-R stays together. Dirty. Dirty. I think it's right there. And the I-R stays together. Turkey. Turkey. Once again, the U-R stays together. The R-controlled vowel. Okay, let's listen to a story. The bears prepare a feast. No, feast is not an air sound. It was late in fall, and the bears were aware that it was time to give thanks. The bears declared that it was their favorite time of year. The bears still had a few days to prepare. Mama Bear and Papa Bear went to find food. They made the 2 young bears swear that they would help too. While Mama and Papa were gone, the young bears looked for food by their home. They found 3 pears and split each pear in 2. Mama and Papa came home with a few shrimp and some corn. They also got a surprise for the young bears. It was a big fish. Mama said, "Go scrub your paws and wear your best shirts. Papa and I will prepare the food with care. Then we will sit and share." The bears sat down for their feast. The bears felt so grateful. The young bears stared at the food with wonder. They wanted to eat it all up. Papa said, "First, let's say thanks. Then we can share this feast." There were a lot of air sounds in that story. So some adverbs tell us how an action takes place. What are some words that tell how? So slowly, quickly, loudly, softly. These are all examples if they're telling how it happens. So someone could say it loudly or softly. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds to find the adverb. Mom said I should quickly change my shirt. 3, 2, 1, quickly. I slowly looked in the dresser. 3, 2, 1, slowly. I found a neatly folded shirt. 3, 2, 1, neatly. I gladly wear green on St. Patrick's Day. 3, 2, 1, gladly. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Great job. See you.